birthday.
Oh, thanks, Iman. But I'm not 20.
Yes, you are.
Oh, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Wait, I'm not done coloring.
Wouldn't that be something? A 20-year-old woman with 4 kids. Being a working mom is no walk in the park. My family constantly requires my attention, so does my business and my followers. Now, I've been asked far too many times, Daphne, how do you do it all? How do you take care of others as well as yourself? After all the work you do, how do you still manage to wake up looking flawless? You have to remember that stress is the #1 factor to getting wrinkles early in life. Now, ladies, we don't want that, do we? No. Now, to answer the questions as how I look my best every day, I have 2 words for you. Physio Radiance. There isn't a magical potion you can consume to get clear skin overnight. To get healthy, glowing skin, you need to understand that beauty is a lifestyle. It's about maintaining habits that are good for your body. One such habit is to take care of your skin daily, even when it's easy to skip your routine. But that can't be good for healthy aging, right? Physio Radiance is revolutionary because it provides solutions we didn't even know we needed. For example, this skincare set contains a combination of pre- and probiotics. You heard right. We're not talking about prebiotics and probiotics in the form of supplements. We're talking about using it in your skincare products. The extra protection it provides to your skin's surface lessens wrinkles and pigmentation, giving you a healthy glow. So first thing in the morning, before I tackle the day ahead, I like to pamper my skin, starting with the Gentle Firming Cleanser. Just this first step makes a lot of difference in how fresh your skin feels. This cleanser includes ingredients derived from coconut, which is the reason why we have this nourishing foam. Once you've gotten rid of the unwanted oil and dirt, your clean skin is then ready to absorb ingredients. Next, we bring in the Visage Purifying Gel. And this is where the fun part comes in. Ta-da! In case you're wondering, this is the 4-in-1 technology system known as Visage Plus, and it goes hand in hand with the gel. It is one of the most advanced, non-invasive facial treatment devices that you can use on your own at home. I fell in love with it so much that it became a staple in my self-care routine. It can be used on all types of skin, and it has multiple functions, such as the electrical muscle stimulation that helps to firm up facial muscles and reduce fine lines. Like that's not enough, the radio frequency helps stimulate collagen and elastin production, while the chromotherapy helps to rejuvenate and plump up your skin. And of course, one of the most important things for all ages, deep cleansing and intense hydration through the galvanic technology in this device. Also, if you haven't purchased your device yet, you can also use your hands to apply the skincare products. So there we go. Oh my gosh, when I first started using this, the results just blew my mind. It only took a few sessions to realize how much I really look forward to the soothing massage along my cheekbones and jaw. This was, without a doubt, a game changer in my skincare regimen. That's 1 minute. On to the boosting essence. I love how lightweight it feels on my skin and it's easily absorbed. The ingredients contained within helps improve elasticity and tighten the skin. So you definitely want to add the boosting essence to your skincare routine. Next is this innovative 2-in-1 super serum called the Firming and Lifting Double Serum. Now what's interesting about this is the 2-in-1 design, as you can see here. We start off with the Brightening and Lifting Serum. What I like about this product is that it contains hyaluronic acid. Sorry about that. Now, if you don't know, hyaluronic acid helps retain moisture in your skin. That's why your skin looks so young and hydrated. Next is the Firming and Hydrating Serum. All you need is just 1 pump. What the sweet almond oil in the serum does is lock in the moisture. This is especially good for those of you out there with dry or sensitive skin. Now I'm ready to kickstart my Zoom video calls with confidence. Moving on, this is one of my personal favorite steps. The the Repair Eye Cream. Why? Because the skin under our eyes is naturally thinner and much more delicate. So by doing this, it will help alleviate fine lines around your eyes effectively. Not that having fine lines and wrinkles is a bad thing, it's quite the opposite actually. I believe that those lines are a representation of all the years I've lived and the experiences I've had. That's why I've switched my mindset from the concept of anti-aging to healthy aging. The Repair Eye Cream follows that concept. It contains vitamin C to brighten the skin under our eyes. But also try to consume vitamin C in the form of food. It keeps you healthy from the inside out. Since wearing a mask has become our new normal, you don't want to skip this step. Take the time to care for the appearance of your eyes, the windows to your soul. Last but not least is the Restoring Day Cream to tie it all in. This cream adds a safe and natural protective layer of moisture to keep your skin fresh and hydrated throughout the day. When you're going in and out of meetings, spending time with others, having a bite to eat, if you're anything like me, you've got a lot on your hands. But luckily, I've got my husband who's helping me out all the time.
B, where's my socks?
Okay, well, most of the time. And that's it for the day. My skin is ready to tackle anything that comes my way today. A bonus tip I like to share is to take care of your skin at the end of a long day. I know, we all have days where we're just feeling too lazy to get out of bed, to wash the makeup off, but it's just as important to clean and tend to your skin at night as it is in the morning. Physio Radiance's Regenerating Night Cream contains all that is good, including retinol, hyaluronic acid, and shea butter. This right here is one of the reasons why I wake up looking flawless. It's a great way to help your skin rejuvenate and regenerate naturally while you sleep. And that's the beauty of this great night cream. Now you know the best way to start a daily skin routine. It definitely won't take hours, and one thing's for sure, it will be easy peasy when you have your Physio Radiance set at hand.
Mom!
Duty calls. Gotta go now. Bye.
What's this?
Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing.